These strawberry biscuits are super easy and delicious. In fact, this is a great recipe if you're new to baking and want to try making biscuits. Start by grating a stick of frozen butter. It's important the butter is very cold when making biscuits so they stay light and airy and not greasy. Next, stir together the dry ingredients. That's AP flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and baking soda. Stir this mixture with a whisk, or I'm using a fork and that'll do just fine. Now add the grated butter. If you needed to walk away at any point, pop the butter back into the freezer to stay cold. Add chopped strawberries, about 1 cup, and stir until the strawberries are mixed in evenly. Make a well in the middle and pour in cold buttermilk. Be sure it's cold. There's a pattern here, get it? Stir this mixture just until the flour is coated in the buttermilk. Literally 15 to 20 stirs is all you need. You don't want to overmix the dough. Portion the biscuits out with an ice cream scoop or spoons, about 3 tablespoons per portion. Now bake in a hot oven until golden brown. Be sure to cool on a wire rack before serving. The biscuits are light and airy, a little sweet, a little tangy, and super easy. I hope you enjoy them.